When creating a semiconductor device, many steps require the use of process gases. And contamination in a process gas can cause defects in semiconductor chips at any one of these steps. What kinds of contaminants are we talking about? Moisture, atmospheric gases, metallic particles, organic particles, acids and bases, and refractory compounds. In the past, fabs tended to handle purification of these contaminants one by one, like throwing darts at a target. Back then, 99.9999% purity was acceptable for process gases. Today, however, devices are smaller, more geometrically complex, use many more materials, and are much more sensitive to contamination. Today's devices require 99.999999%, or 10 parts per billion outlet purity. And fabs must worry about many times more trace contaminants than before. This requires a different approach. Instead of throwing darts one by one, modern purification efforts are more like bowling balls. The goal is to knock out as many contaminants as you can with each shot. Here's how it works. Moisture and hydrocarbons are removed via physical adsorption or physisorption. Reactive elements are removed via chemical bonds or chemisorption. And large and small particles are captured by advanced filtration. With advanced gas purification, fabs can achieve consistently low contamination levels, ensuring high yield and defect-free devices. To learn more, visit www.integris.com/gas-purity.